Hey everyone! Want to track your marketing campaigns effortlessly and see what's really working, all in just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you overview of using a reporting dashboard to track and measure marketing success. So, let's dive in. First things first, log in to GoHighLevel and navigate to the reporting dashboard. You'll find it in the left-hand menu. This is your hub for tracking everything marketing related. Once you're in, you'll see an overview of key metrics, like leads impressions, clicks, and conversions. It's a one-stop shop to instantly see how your marketing campaigns are performing. Want to get more specific? You can filter the data by individual campaigns. Scroll down until you see Campaign section. Select the campaign you're interested in. You'll see a breakdown of its performance, making it easier to pinpoint which strategies are working best. Now let's dig a little deeper. If you've integrated your Facebook account and are using Facebook for ads, you can view your ad data here. Now we can check its performance. Next, go to Attribution Report. This allows you to determine the source of your high-level leads. The Call Reporting tab provides essential insights into all interactions between your customers and team members, including both incoming and outgoing calls. Finally, go to Appointment Report. This page offers a comprehensive view of your appointment data, allowing you to easily track and analyze various metrics. And there you have it. We have learned overview of using a reporting dashboard to track and measure marketing success in GoHighLevel. Take advantage of GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and be sure to schedule your kickoff call for a seamless onboarding experience. Check the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorial and tips about GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.